You care about your pupils' well-being. You know Anti-Bullying Week is an opportunity to make a real difference, but with everything else on your plate, planning it all can feel like one more thing you don't have time for. You're not alone, we hear this from schools all the time. That's why we created this simple 5-step checklist to help you plan an impactful anti-bullying week without the stress. Step 1. Set clear goals. Start by setting your goals. Do you want to raise awareness, empower students to speak out, or strengthen your school's whole school approach to preventing bullying? Setting a clear goal helps everyone stay focused and makes it easier to measure impact. Step 2. Understand your responsibilities. Schools have a statutory duty to prevent bullying, and Ofsted will ask how you do this. They want to see that bullying, discrimination and harassment are never tolerated and are dealt with quickly and effectively. Make sure your policies are in place, updated and understood by all staff. Step 3. Involve the whole school. Anti-Bullying Week works best when the whole school gets involved. From assemblies and class activities to parent newsletters, everyone should hear the same message. Kindness is our culture. Invite student voice, create shared ownership, and remember, this is not just one week, it's a part of your wider safeguarding approach. Step 4. Plan engaging activities. Choose activities that are age appropriate and engaging. Drama-based workshops like those from OpenView Education bring these topics to life and equip pupils with the skills they need to stay safe. Our workshops support your curriculum and safeguarding responsibilities, making your anti-bullying week truly impactful. Step 5. Share and celebrate. Capture what you've done, celebrate the positive actions, share it on your school's website or social media. Show your community that you take bullying seriously and are committed to keeping children safe. Let this anti-bullying week be the start of something powerful. Let's work together to create safe, respectful schools where every child can thrive. OpenView Education empowers young people to stay safe and live successful, happy lives. Get organised for Anti-Bullying Week now at openvieweducation.co.uk.